And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's keep the energy flowing as we welcome the distinguished leader to officially open our forum. Please join me in giving a warm round of applause for Mr. Simon Chan. BBS JP, the chairman of Cyberport, delivered the welcome remarks. Mr. Simon Chan, please.
Hello, Lillian, Peter, 杨坚处长，你好 ，Tony, distinguished Council General, legislative and district councillors, our dedicated Cyberport board members, academics and innovators, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. A heartfelt welcome to all of you joining us today at Cyberport for the Digital Entertainment Leadership Forum 2025. Every year, Delft is a highlight for Cyberport, offering a unique platform to bring cutting-edge technology to the public in a way that's engaging and accessible. With this year's theme, Adventure Island, Unlock Innovation with the Missing Piece, we are pulling back the curtain to show how AI and other emerging tech are transforming our daily lives, especially in digital entertainment. Delft is more than a forum. It's a place where everyone can try out new ideas and see how AI makes things real and exciting. From interactive workshops to hands-on showcases, you will explore how AI transforms storytelling, sparks new ways to enjoy culture, and powers innovations. These advancements are not just shaping culture, but are driving a broader transformation, positioning Hong Kong as a global leader in innovation and technology. Breathing on this creative energy, Hong Kong is at the forefront of this digital transformation, and Cyberport is proud to be supporting this journey. Thanks to the Hong Kong SL government's support, we launched the largest AI supercomputing center last year, a cornerstone of AI development that empowers industries to push boundaries and drive Hong Kong's digital future. This year, its computing power will reach 3,000p, supporting all sectors' growing needs, including, for instance, AI-generated content for arts and digital entertainment, fueling creativity and events like ours, Delft. We are also looking forward to the upcoming launch of Cyberport 5, which will mark another milestone to further boost R&D in AI, blockchain, cybersecurity, data science, and more, fostering collaboration and blending technology with everyday life. With over 53,000 square feet of open space, Cyberport 5 will expand our campus, offering vibrant areas to showcase digital art and immersive experiences for the public to try. In our community of over 2,200 startups and leading enterprises, Cyberport is building a dynamic ecosystem where collaboration turns vision into reality. Our partnership with Lenovo, to be announced shortly, will further strengthen this mission, empowering startups and tech companies, accelerating digital transformation, and advancing the commercialization of emerging technologies. The vibrant network sets the stage for Delft, where ideas from our community connect with global expertise to inspire the future. This year's Delft brings together over 70 global thought leaders to share insights on AI's role in preserving cultural heritage and creating multi-sensory entertainment experiences that captivate audience worldwide. The experience zone features over 35 showcases, from virtual walkthroughs of cultural landmarks like Dunhuang to AI-powered innovations like diagnostic tools and interactive sports simulators. You will also visit the Piece Together Smart Hong Kong AI Mosaic, co-created by over 1,000 students from local schools, celebrating the creativity of our next generation and Cyberport's role as a hub of innovation. These are just glimpses of what's to come. Join us over these 3 days to uncover even more surprises. I invite you to explore the experience zone, engage with our startups' innovation, and feel the transformative power of technology firsthand. Let's have a fun and inspiring adventure at Delft. Together, we will unlock the missing pieces of innovation. And lastly, wishing you all have a wonderful journey in the coming few days. Thank you.